Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I recorded a long form video. I've only been active on my shorts and I was recording here but my phone wasn't picking up any audio. Spend the day with me and my sister at the Kano makeup fair. As you can see, we are already heading out. The makeup fair was held at the Mystic Falls Event Center and we got there pretty early because we were heading somewhere else afterwards. Many Nigerian brands came out with their products on display for sale and also some makeup vendors were selling both international and Nigerian brands. This is the Nuban Beauty. I bought some concealer from them and then I went on to Marisad Beauty Store and I got a bunch of products from her, and this is how it was looking, and we were pretty early so it wasn't so jam-packed. And this is the stuff that I got. We got the goods secured and it's time to head on home. I'm back home and I just want to show you guys all the stuff that I got from the makeup fair. They gave me this huge nylon bag even though I bought only one product from them. I got this extension cord for my LED lights, but I got it from the market, not the makeup fair. And the rest of the stuff are all makeup products and I'm going to do a haul for you guys. First off is this eyelash set that I got. I love how fluffy and light the styles look. This is me just posing for a thumbnail. So next is this concealer I got from Nuban Beauty in the shade 46. I've run out of the one that I have currently. So most of the products I bought are just things that I'm running out of and things that I completely don't have anymore. And yeah, I got a new beauty blender because my beauty blender is busted. Oh my god. Then I got this awesome setting spray from Sopro that I used to have before, but then it finished, so I'm just restocking it again. Then these are eye products from Paula Beauty. This is a mascara. I tried it on after this video and it was really good. And then this is the eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. It's the black eyeliner. I've been wanting to get my hands on this foundation since they launched it and I finally did today. I got the shade white. It's from Sylvie Mac and it's in the shade Cream Ivory rather. It's had great reviews since it was launched and I can't wait to try this on my clients. And that's all for the makeup haul. This is all I got, and this lip eye mask was a gift from Mersad. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try my best to give you more interesting content, but in the meantime, please watch my shorts. I post transitions and makeup tutorials over there and it's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching.